Hi everybody, this is Jonathan. I'm going to discuss shoulders and one aspect of shoulders. Now, it's very common that if you have injured your rotator cuff, as you lift your arm, it hurts. And anybody who's had this will know that either lifting your arm or sleeping on it, and you get this horrible pain. And the question is, where does this pain come from? And it's actually, it comes from a very interesting design, I call it design fault, that occurs in the shoulder. So with the shoulder, what you have is you have a scapula, which is the shoulder blade, and that sits here. And at the end of the scapula, there's a little cup. It's very shallow. This is the arm bone, which is called the humerus, which has got a great big head. And there are 4 muscles which arise from the shoulder blade, and they, as the muscles come forward, they wrap around, their tendons wrap around the head of the humerus, and that is called the rotator cuff. And it is there to balance the head as you move. Now, if the balance isn't correct, and there's one particular muscle here called the supraspinatus, it runs through this tiny space, and what it has to do is contract and pull the arm down. If it does that, when you lift your arm using the big muscle, you have all the space in the world. However, if this supraspinatus muscle doesn't contract, or is slow in contracting, then when the big muscle contracts, it pulls your arm up, and as you lift it, it digs in. And this is called impingement. As it digs in, you feel this pain right here in your over the upper arm. And this is an incredibly common cause of shoulder pain. So it's due to a lack of balance between 2 muscles. The one is the supraspinatus, which doesn't fire properly, and therefore when the big power deltoid muscle contracts, pulls the arm up, spins around, digs in or impinges, and gives you this horrible pain.